New breakthrough. This $900 billion hack pays us whenever we comment online. World's first AI app that exploits Thread, Twitter, and Quora, and hijack 2,567 clicks daily for 100% free, giving us non-stop $19.99. Payments. Even Google News blogs are dominated. We get paid every time we comment on Quora and others. Professional comments done for us with AI 100% buyer traffic. Ready to buy what you sell, zero work. Completely automated solutions 365. Days money back guarantee. No relying on Google rankings, YouTube rankings, or Facebook ads to get visitors to your websites again. No SEO or PPC. This system is System Animal. No waiting for ad approval or backlink. Indexing start receiving. Free targeted traffic. In minutes. Massive traffic. To your blogs. For massive engagement and audience. We leverage hidden loopholes to generate massive profit. Zero skills or technical experience required. Never seen before. Method. No upfront cost required to use. This get paid $350 if you fail to get results with this. Get ResponseKraft at a low. One-time fee, just pay $17 once instead of monthly $97. Would you like to get massive free traffic? As fast as this. As soon as I enabled ResponseKraft on August 20th, the traffic simply exploded, from a few visitors per day to over 200. And all of that was done in a single day with no SEO, no YouTube videos, and no Facebook ads. Are you getting excited right now? You should be, because that is not even the best part. The best part is, this traffic brings real buyers that are spending money like crazy, giving you ROI like you have never seen before. Over $9,585 in profits in just last month. And the best part is, we did zero work. The entire process was done for us with AI. It's 100% legal and 100% ethical. Ready to know how it works? Very easy. We exploited a hidden Quora, Twitter, and Google hack. Using AI. Many people are scared of AI. But not us. It made our lives 10x easier and 10x more profitable. We finally unleashed AI to drop smart, funny, and professional responses to profitable discussions. Yes, not all discussions are profitable. Pick your method of making money and let this free traffic flood your account with profits. Look, it doesn't matter what you do or want to do online to make profits. Whether you are promoting a ClickBank, JVZoo, or any other affiliate network product, whether you are doing local business marketing, Kindle book sales, click link below to access now.